Okay, well, Mr. Beneficiary, take you and your trust back to jail.
Permission
I ask the questions, you give the answers. Is that clear?
Mr. Beneficiary, you should not talk over to the court. I thank you very much. Thank you.
That is not fair. You cannot do this. Under oath and on record, you cannot do this.
If you're not Mr. Pollard, then you're not here. The warrant will be for your arrest, and you can sit in jail till you rot for all I care.
That's fine, Your Honor, but that's
Deputy, you can remove him. He's not here.
He's not here today.
All right, everyone. Today we got one of the wildest court cases I've seen in a while. This guy isn't just any troublemaker. He's a full-on sovereign citizen who thinks the law doesn't apply to him. He's got 4 different hearings and somehow manages to argue with every single judge. What he's done is seriously disturbing. Stuff you don't even want to imagine. I won't spoil it yet, but trust me, you'll be shaking your head the whole time. Luckily, these judges stay calm and handle him perfectly. Let's see how it all goes down. Stay tuned. You don't want to miss this.
Before.
What's his name?
The beneficiary.
Yeah, first name, Mr. Beneficiary.
Are you stating that the trust that we are administrating is the Kevin Pollard Trust? If so,
I'm asking what your name is.
my name is the beneficiary of the trust.
Of whose trust?
Are you stating that the trust that we are now administrating is the Kevin Pollard Trust, Your Honor?
Okay, I'm
If so,
gonna recall him. Bring up somebody else. Put him aside. We'll call him at the end. Sir, is your name the beneficiary, Kevin Teron Anthony Pollard? Yes or no?
I'm the beneficiary of the trust, Your Honor. Are you stating that the trust that we are now administrating is the Kevin Pollard Trust?
Are you Kevin Pollard? I'm asking you.
Is the trust that we are now administrating?
Sir, I ask the questions here. You give me yes or no answers.
You're asking for my permission
I ask the questions. You give the answers. Is that clear?
It's very clear.
Okay, listen.
Yes.
Are you also known by the name of Kevin Pollard amongst other names? Yes or no?
Are you stating that the trust that we are now administrating is the Kevin Pollard Trust, Your Honor? If so, Kevin Pollard is in fact present today. It is you that is Kevin Pollard, Your Honor. It is you.
Really?
Yes, Your Honor. It is you. That is Kevin Pollard. Yes, Your Honor.
Kevin Pollard.
You are Kevin Pollard today, Your Honor. I am the beneficiary.
And then who are you?
I am the beneficiary of the trust.
Okay, well, Mr. Beneficiary, take you and your trust back to jail.
I have some questions for the clerk, Your Honor.
No.
I have. Can I speak to the clerk before we go any further?
You know what? I'm gonna put you in timeout. Get your mind right, Mr. Pollard.
Yes, sir. Can I have the clerk present? Please, Your Honor.
Don't give in.
Please have the clerk present in a Zoom meeting.
You know what? If you answer my questions, I'll consider it.
Okay. What's the question?
What's your name?
The beneficiary.
All right, Mr. Beneficiary, put you back in timeout.
This next judge, he's not here to play games. You can tell right away he's not letting anyone waste his time. Finally, a judge who knows how to take control of his courtroom. Too many judges let people yell, interrupt, and act up, and it turns the whole thing into a circus. But this guy? Nope. He's firm, fair, and done with the nonsense. Judges can throw people in jail for acting out under contempt of court, and honestly, I wish more of them would do it like this. Some people might think he's too tough, but personally, I think we need more judges like him. Let's jump back in and see what happens next.
I'm going to give you another chance in front of another magistrate.
That's no problem. Can I have the clerk present, please?
Hey, sir, I'm magistrate Chartea.
Excuse
BDC.
me? Yes.
I'm talking to the DDC officer.
Yes.
DDC?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The gentleman that is in front of the screen, in front of camera one, what name do you have him listed as?
Kevin Pollard.
Do you have a middle name?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so you have a Kevin Pollard. Okay, and sir, you're identified as Kevin Pollard, but you're considering yourself the beneficiary. Is that correct, sir?
Are we on the record?
We are. Everything is on the record.
Okay. Are you stating that the trust that we are now administrating is the Kevin Pollard trust, ma'am?
I'm not administrating any trust because there is no trust in front of me. But what I'm asking you is, you call yourself the beneficiary. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, no problem. I have case number is 240-5538101. People of the state of Michigan versus Kevin Theron Anthony Pollard, who is listed by DDC as Kevin Pollard. However, the gentleman has identified himself as the beneficiary.
You representing as Kevin Pollard today, Your Honor.
Mr. Pollard,
I'm not.
Mr. Pollard, now, as your counsel, I am going to advise that you stop speaking and allow the judge to speak.
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel Kirkland.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Shava Kirkland on behalf of Mr. Pollard, who has been advised of his rights, wishes to stand mute and waive the formal reading.
Thank you. I'm going to enter plea of not guilty. Court dates are February 2nd, 2024. It is a probable cause conference, followed by preliminary examination, February 8th, 1:30 p.m. Both matters are in front of Judge King. The probable cause conference, it is at 8:30 in the morning. Mr. Beneficiary, you should not come over to the court. I thank you very much.
You are under oath and you are on record. And I'm asking you,
beneficiary, I have not sworn you under oath. I am under oath, so I am doing all this. I'm going to enter plea of not guilty. I already given the court dates while this case is pending, sir. Okay, there should be no contact with the individual.
You are not allowed to state what the judgment is. That is my job.
Mr. Pollard, I do want to let you know that the judgment.
Okay.
I have a question for the clerk.
Okay.
I have a question for the clerk.
A moment.
I have a question for the clerk.
You will give an opportunity, sir. You will give an opportunity. Let me finish. The people, go ahead, Esteban.
Yeah, the people are asking for $250,000 cash bond, no cash, no surety. If he's able to ever post bond, we'd like GPS tether with home arrest. The defendant, Your Honor, has a continuing situation where he entices young girls on the internet from Arizona in this particular case, and previously on 10/23/2023 in another case where he enticed people.
At this point, this dude should already be charged with contempt. He's talking over the judge, ignoring orders and acting like he runs the place. It's like he really believes there are no consequences for his behavior. And the worst part, he's setting a horrible example for younger people watching. That's not just stupid. That's dangerous. It's one thing to ruin your own life, but dragging others down too? That's messed up. This isn't a minor case either. This man's facing serious prison time. He's not only a danger to himself, he's a danger to everyone around him. He clearly doesn't care about anyone but himself.
15/2015, the 10/21/2023 case where he was criminal sexual conduct first degree and also contributing alcohol to a minor, 2 counts of that, was at the exam dismissed without prejudice. In our particular case we have here today, she came here after having a relationship, not the victim, but one of the witnesses came here after having a 3-year relationship with this defendant on the internet. When she turned 18, she came to visit. And also Mr. Pollard introduced her to another girl who is also from Arizona. The other girl brought her niece or her, I forgot the relationship, but her 7-year-old niece with her to visit Mr. Pollard. And what happened then, because the the person was tired from traveling, she fell asleep in the living room. When she woke up, she went into the bedroom, and there was Mr. Pollard with the 7-year-old girl. He then said, "What are you doing?" And he says, "Well, we're playing video games." So the woman, the adult in the room, she falls asleep again. And then she is awakened by the 7-year-old girl and asked to leave. The 7-year-old girl then tells her mother that the Mr. Pollard touched her, rubbed her, he says, okay? He said, accidentally is what he's trying to tell us what happened. The situation is she's told the 7-year-old child has told TED Talk that he did this. He's told Protective Services that he did this. And as far as I'm concerned, Judge, he fits the category of a predator because he did the same thing in the 10/23/2023 case of enticing young people from other parts of the country, perhaps, I don't know where exactly, to come and see him on the internet. So we're asking for 200.
I had to cut a few parts out for YouTube's rules. But what you need to know is this. This man is dangerous. He's not some harmless protester. He's involved in serious crimes involving minors, alcohol, and lies. On top of that, he's part of the Hebrew Israelite group, a branch of sovereign citizens with some really hateful beliefs. So yeah, this guy's a big problem. The prosecutor lays everything out perfectly, and the judge decides $250,000 bond is enough. He raises it to $1 million cash. When I heard that, I was like, finally, that bond makes sure this man stays behind bars. If he somehow posts it, he'll be on house arrest with no contact with anyone under 18 to everyone in that archroom. The judge, the prosecutor, even his own lawyer, knows how dangerous he is. There's no sympathy left for this guy. And honestly, there shouldn't be. Now the last hearing is just wild. The guy refuses to even say his name. He keeps calling himself the beneficiary of a trust and talking nonsense about laws that don't exist. The judge keeps asking simple questions like, "What's your name?" And he just won't answer. So finally the judge says, "Fine, take him out of my courtroom." And boom, done.no drama. No yelling, just handled. I love judges like this. Calm, strong, and completely unbothered. They don't argue with crazy people. They just use the law. Honestly, you can tell this man's not right in the head. He's done horrible things and acts like it's no big deal. It's scary to think about what else he's done that we don't even know about. But seeing him get that $1 million bond and watching the judge shut him down, that was satisfying. Let me know in the comments if you think the bond was fair or if it should have been even higher. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more crazy courtroom stories like this one. I post new videos every day. So stay tuned, and I'll see you all in the next one.